Apparently there's like 60,000 of these cars here in Cuba, and the best place to see them is in the capital city of Havana. The United States placed an embargo on Cuba in 1959 when Fidel Castro came to power, which affected, among other things, imported cars and parts. So, over the years, Cubans have had to be very innovative to keep these things working. Now, they have been able to get their hands on some updated items like LED lights, but the original engines, they're probably long gone. I was told that the cars can cost anywhere from $20,000 to $60,000. So at $60,000, how can these taxi drivers afford them? Being a taxi driver is very lucrative. If you think it's going to cost you a few bucks to take one, well, you're right, except it will be several more bucks than you thought it would be. My understanding is they hold a private taxi license. Of course you're asking, Peter, why would you go on a rainy day in a convertible? Well, it was my last day in Cuba and I hadn't visited downtown Varadero yet, so today was it. It was actually nice for most of the day, but when I filmed this part, it rained.